We won. Mr. Stark. We won, Mr. Stark. I'm sorry, Tony.
Let's track this from the beginning.
Your life's work in the hands of those murderers. Is that how you want to go out? Is this the last act of defiance of the great Tony Stark?
Hostile alien army came charging through a hole in space. We're standing 300 feet below it. What do you think? We can bust our arms to us all live one day, but that's it. Tell me his name again.
Thanos. He's a plague, Tony. He invades planets, he takes what he wants, he wipes out half the population. He sent Loki. The attack on New York, that's him.
You know me?
You're not the only one cursed with knowledge.
My only curse is you. There is no version of this where you come out on top. And maybe your army comes, and maybe it's too much for us, but it's all on you. So if we can't protect the Earth, you can be damn well sure we'll avenge it.
Forward in time, to view alternate futures, to see all the possible outcomes of common conflict. How many we win?
When I'm done, half of humanity will still be alive.
How are you guys planning on meeting together? We'll lose. And we'll do that together, too.
I said we'd lose. You said we'll do that together, too. I guess we're captured. Stop! Spare his life, and I will give you the stone.
You said 1 out of 14 million we win, yeah? Tell me this is it.
If I tell you what happens, it won't happen.